Today we're spreading millings. Now millings are a big grinding machine that grinds up a road. This is what you get. It's like gravel asphalt. Eventually it'll stick together after a couple years of running it over. Some of the tops of these piles had already hardened a little from just like sitting, because it's still got oil in it. Gotta push all these. The person who told us, they said it was all spread out. The piles, they didn't tell us it was in a corner. Now you gotta push it all the way out and then cover all this. Over there, over here, over there, where my finger is. All that's gotta get covered. And the poor little dressers push it all she can. It's only a 5-ton, 6, 7-ton machine. Didn't want to bring the big one because the big one doesn't breathe. It just pushes. Probably should go get a front loader. We might do that eventually. And bucket some of the millings over there, all over the place. Just pushing it like this is going to take fucking forever. Yeah, but the guy who told us, he said they're all spread out. You just need to spread them out. You just need to spread the pile. You don't have to push them anywhere. But someone never came here and looked at it. The dresser, td-8e. It's a nice machine. Very robust.